Okay, this is our writing for today. We're going to pre-write, come up with our ideas so that tomorrow it will be really easy for us to write an opinion paragraph about popcorn. Okay, so you were able to taste some popcorn today. If you haven't yet, look for that on today's assignments. But and hopefully when you were tasting that popcorn, you were thinking about how you feel about popcorn. So we're going to start by saying, I think popcorn is blank. Okay, how do you feel about popcorn? Just like we did with ice cream. Okay, it can be a good thing, or maybe you don't think it's great. Okay, so I think popcorn is wonderful. I think popcorn is fun to eat. I think popcorn is what? What is your opinion of popcorn? And then think of why you feel that way. Okay, so we're going to put 3 reasons why you have that feeling or that opinion of popcorn. Okay, so I am going to choose to write about how I think popcorn is fun to eat. Okay, okay, so I think popcorn is fun to eat. That is my opinion. Remember, you need to be doing your opinion, not just Miss Turner's. Okay, so then we come down here and you're going to tell me 3 reasons you have that opinion. For me, I think popcorn is fun to eat because you often eat it while you're doing other activities, okay? Um, okay. And I think popcorn is fun to eat because you can put different um, flavoring on it. And I think popcorn is fun to eat because you just eat it with your hands. Okay, and then we are going to write our conclusion sentence. So far, you know what? I wrote more words than I needed to. I could have just written other activities, different flavors, with hands. Okay, I could have just put keywords right there. And then down here, though, we are going to write a complete sentence. Okay, we are going to do our conclusion the way we've been practicing. So we start by saying, that is why I think, and we just finished what we started up here. I think popcorn is fun to eat. So whatever your opinion is that you wrote up here, you are going to use in writing your conclusion. Okay, and then we'll be ready for doing our writing tomorrow.